Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my WeChat app. Then click on me right here. Click on settings. Click on account security. Click on WeChat Security Center. Click on Safety Tool. Click on Account Cancellation right here. So once you click on Account Cancellation, you'll be asked to submit an application to delete all data and permanently cancel your WeChat account. Follow the prompt and your WeChat account will be permanently deleted on your phone. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.